It's time to wake up your event hall or meeting space. It's time for the perfect balance of design and functionality. It's time for the W Rolling Buffet system from Eastern Tabletop. The W Buffet takes advantage of your vertical space and instantly gives your venue a splash of style and sophistication. Its fully collapsible design makes it easy to set up and easy to store. With up to 5 levels of shelving, it can transform to meet the needs of any event, large or small. The W Buffet is built with safety and functionality in mind. Its heavy-duty, fully swivel locking rubber casters transition smoothly from tile to carpet and lock in place to ensure stability and safety while in service. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction brings added strength and resists against bumps and bruises during constant use. Simply remove the cover, extend the shelves, and securely lock them in place. The shelves come in various sizes and finishes, including tempered glass, frosted or black acrylic, and are given additional support from stainless steel bars that store neatly in the wheel pouch. But enough about the technical mumbo-jumbo. The look of the W Buffet says it all. In moments, you'll transform your space into a functional and striking presentation that will keep guests coming up for seconds and thirds. In addition to buffet service, the W can be used as a display for behind-the-bar service, flowers, place settings, and decorations. It can even be used in outdoor space. The W comes in a standard brushed stainless steel, but for an added wow factor, you can upgrade to any color you'd like, available through the Eastern Xylo brand collection. When the event is over, the W Buffet is easy to clean and store. Simply fold it, cover it, and roll it into storage with minimal footprint, giving you back space that your plain folding tables have been stealing away for years. An updated and modern event space is just a W Buffet away. For a full line of hollowware and buffetware, visit us at easterntabletop.com.